All right, so we replaced the screen with the older MacBook. So we finally assembled this, and let's see if we can turn it on. And I haven't put the back cover back to it yet, but the first thing that I wanted to do was to check if this works with the older MacBook's display. So we're gonna find out in a moment. Let's click the power button. I guess at least we should hear something if it turns on. The sound works fine. I can't see anything yet. Wow, look at that. It's working perfectly, guys. And yeah, this works. So I was actually interested. I was wondering if the older MacBook screen are compatible with the newer MacBooks. And look at that. That was the issue that I was trying to show you with the older MacBook. Its screen was blinking in the older MacBook. So I was lucky to replace it because the issue with the older MacBook was that I guess it was with the motherboard, but the screen was fine. But the issue with the newer MacBook, with this one, uh, when it was with the other display, was that the display was damaged. So I've justified this, and I'm happy. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you to clarify some of the compatibility question with the displays of the MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and stay awesome.